Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. And we have it in school, so you can't see it because we're going to play a game in a minute. But we have it in school for 100. How many straws are in this one? 100. So 150 days of school. Should we count and see how many of these are? So we're just going to count by tens. Okay, so help me count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 150 days of kindergarten. Yay! All right, we're going to play a quick little game about partners of five. So today in math, you're going to be doing partners of five. And so I thought I'd play a little game with you. Okay, so up here, I have a 5. And these numbers work together to make 5. But I made a mistake, and there's some in there that are trying to trick you. So I want to know which numbers work together to make 5, okay? So if you think that they work together to make 5, you're going to give me a thumbs up. If you think that something's fishy and they're trying to trick you, then give me a thumbs down if it doesn't make 5, okay? All right, what about a 1 and a 4? Does a 1 and a 4 work together to make a 5? What do you think? Yeah, they do. 1 plus 4 is 5. Also, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, what about 107? Can 107 make 5? No, they can't. They would make 107, huh? What about 9 and 8? Can 9 and 8 work together to make 5? What do you think? No, they can't. What about 0 and 5? Can 0 and 5 work together to make 5? Yeah, they can. 0 plus 5 equals 5, and 5 plus 0 equals 5. What about 2 and 3? Can 2 and 3 work together to make 5? What do you think? Yes, they can. 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 3 plus 2 equals 5. Cool, huh? I like learning about partners of 5 because they can make my addition and subtraction faster. Because if I know that 1 and 4 work together to make 5, then I already know what 1 plus 4 equals, huh? So it's a really good way for us to get really good at addition and subtraction and be really, really fast. I had a friend that lost a tooth. So this friend is in our afternoon class, and it's a girl, and her name starts with a S. It's Sarah. Sarah lost a tooth. So her tooth is right here. We have lost, well, how many teeth have we lost in April? We've lost 7. So I know that this is a 5, and I know that there's 2 more. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. We have lost 7 teeth so far in April. All right. We are going to read our story today. So our story is in our book. Whoa. Okay, so Materials in Motion. So remember how this book has lots of books inside of it, and it has a table of contents where I can find my book. So if you go in here, look, it has a table of contents, and I wanted to read the book that was called Pushes and Pulls. So I looked for it, and it's on page 47. So we're going to read about pushes and pulls. So I want you to remember what we've been talking about in science. Okay, we've been talking about what makes things move. So we know that if we push something, it can move. If we pull something, it can move. And yesterday we learned about gravity. Gravity kind of helps things move too, huh? All right, let's read this story. Guys, look at this cute little baby. Oh my goodness. All right. Toys don't move by themselves. How can you move a toy? You can give it a push. A pull can make something move too. A big dog can pull a wagon. Guys, look how fun that looks. That dog is pulling the wagon, and the dog is pulling another dog. So funny. A person can pull a wagon too. Something moves only when pushed or pulled. A pinwheel can move around and around. What is pushing this pinwheel? So this is a pinwheel. What do you think is pushing it? Guys, I hope you know the answer because we learned about this. We learned about it. The wind is pushing it. The wind pushes the pinwheel around. What else is the wind pushing? Can you see in the picture anything else that the wind is pushing? Look at their hair. Is the wind pushing the hair? What moves these two girls down the slide? Okay, so we have some friends right here going down the slide. Super fun. But what makes them go down? I can tell that nobody pushed them and nobody pulled them. It's gravity. Gravity pulls the girls down the slide. Gravity is such a good helper, huh? Gravity pulls things down. This girl and boy are swinging. Can you see anyone pushing or pulling them? The pull of gravity moves them. They move one direction and then back. Gravity helps them swing back and forth. I am so glad we have gravity. There's so many things we can do because of gravity. Rolling is a motion. Round things roll easily. Marbles, balls, and cans roll easily. Guys, look, I see some shapes we've learned about. What three-dimensional solid shape is this? It's a sphere. What three-dimensional solid shape is this? A cylinder. Guys, shapes are all around us all the time. That's cool, huh? All right. I'm so glad we got to learn about pushing and pulling. Sorry, trying to get to where you guys can see me. Okay, today for school, you are going to do math, and you're going to learn about partners of 5, and kind of like this game we just played. I have a question for you. How can partners of 5 help us with addition and subtraction? What do you think? Well, they help us be faster, huh? Partners of 5, we know that 1 and 4 work together to make 5. So if we just know that, we can be fast at doing our subtraction and addition, huh? And so you're going to do addition and subtraction on the back of the page, and I bet you guys are getting really fast. I haven't been able to time you guys, but I bet you guys have gotten so much faster than when we started this back in like December. You guys are probably pros at it, and I'm missing it. I can't see you guys. I hope you guys are having fun with your addition and subtraction because you guys have gotten so good, I'm sure. Okay, we're also going to learn about a sight word today. Oh man, sorry, I just remembered something. We're learning about the word here. Like, I am sitting here. Goodness, my brain is just really struggling today. We're going to write in our journals. So today you're going to watch the here video, and then you're going to do your sight word journal here. And then I really wanted you guys to write a sentence with as many sight words as you could think about, okay? So this is going to use your brain because you're going to have to remember our sight words. So you can look back in your sight word journal, but you're going to have to put words together to come up with a sentence. Remember, a sentence is one complete thought. A sentence has a capital letter at the beginning and a period or a punctuation mark at the end. And it tells us a whole complete thought. So I wrote a sentence for you guys. I wanted to see how many sight words I could use in one sentence. So this is my sentence. It says, I can see a bat go to the store. What the? Can you guys imagine a bat going to a store? Probably they only go to the store at night, huh? Because they sleep during the day. Guys, how many sight words did I use in my sentence? Can you guys help me count them? So let's find them first. So I is a sight word. Can is a sight word. See is a sight word. Is a sight word. Bat isn't. Oh, go. We learned about that. That's a sight word. To the store is not a sight word. Guys, look at all those sight words. I came up with as many sight words as I could and put them all in a sentence. Also, this is a sentence because I have a capital letter at the beginning and I have a period at the end, and it has a whole complete thought. Let's count how many sight words I have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, I was able to make a sentence with 7 sight words in it. Can you make a sentence that has more than 7 sight words? If not, it's okay because 7's a lot, but I want you to try to think of as many words as you can think of to fit in one sentence using our sight words, okay? All right. Also, you guys are going to write words with N in it, and I know sometimes it's kind of tricky because sometimes you can hear different sounds sometimes, and we're not in first grade yet, so we don't know some of the tricks that first graders know, but I want you guys to just do the best you can, and I put a picture on the computer to help your parents if they are a little bit confused. Okay? All right, guys. Gosh, I am missing you guys like crazy today. So much. I think we need to Zoom again soon so I can see your faces again. Oh, that's good. We're Zooming tomorrow, huh? Perfect. Okay, sorry, I'll let you guys go. I hope you have fun doing your work, and I hope you guys are doing your best work all the time. Okay, bye.